Eve Systems has released what looks like the best HomeKit surge protector yet, the Eve Energy Strip. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and we have the Eve Energy Strip, an aluminum encased surge protector that has 3 independent outlets that can each be controlled through Apple's HomeKit. There are 3 buttons located towards the bottom where the Eve logo sits. Also on the endpoint is that HomeKit code that you use during the setup process. Then there are 3 outlets going through the body of the rest of the surge protector. This side is home to a small reset button that can be used if the fuse is ever tripped by drawing too much power. Unlike a lot of the other HomeKit power strips that we've seen from the likes of CoolGeek, this is a much higher quality looking product. I mean, you can tell by the aluminum enclosure around the outside and the solid black matte finish in the middle. There are mounting points on the bottom so you can mount this horizontally, under a table, straight up and down on a wall, whatever it may be to kind of keep it out of the way. It also has quite a long power cable, so you can kind of tuck this behind furniture or whatever so it's not necessarily in the way. Though it looks good enough, you could probably just leave it out. It's also fairly heavy. There's definitely some weight to it, like we do to that metal body instead of being plastic. Whenever a light is on, one of those 3 buttons will have their lights illuminated. You can see there's little dots of 1, 2, and 3 to correspond to the first, second, and third outlets. In our hands-on testing, this thing was extremely quick, not just when you press the button, but when you use the Home app as well. That's really important when you're looking at something like a surge protector controlling lights, because you don't want there to be any delay. If the motion detector detects motion, you want those lights to come on and off pretty much instantly. Which is why, again, just like with the Eve light strip, this too uses Wi-Fi, so it can turn all 3 outlets on almost instantaneously from when all 3 of the buttons are pressed within the Home app. Eve also built in a lot of safeguards here to protect devices against power surges, over voltage, and over current. Just like the original standalone Eve Energy, this too will provide you energy reports letting you know how much usage you've had between each one and estimated costs. We'll have a full review soon as this starts shipping. It'll be available in March 2019 for $119.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.